Morning, YouTube. Today I'm going to talk about cancer. As I was watching Arizona Hot Homestead, he was talking about ovarian cancer. And that reminded me of my mom, even though my mom didn't die of cancer. But about 7 years ago, they diagnosed her with liver cancer. And it was hard for us to accept it. They gave her only like year and a half to 2 years of life. They put her on a waiting list of donors, whoever can donate a liver. But what I started doing, I started researching alternatives to the medicine that they were going to give her. And I found one. It's called Hyperbaric chamber or hyperbaric oxygen treatment. It has different names, but it is based on they put my mom inside a chamber and they oxygenate the body. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about the cause of cancer. And this is from a Nobel Prize winner, Dr. Otto H. Warburg. He said that the root cause of cancer is lack of oxygen. Because most of us don't get enough oxygen as we supposed to get it. So I have it here on my TV. I'm trying to read it. It says all normal cells have an absolute requirement for oxygen, but cancer cells can live without oxygen. A rule without exception: deprive a cell 35% of its oxygen for 48 hours and it become cancerous. Dr. Warburg has made it clear that the root cause of cancer is oxygen deficiency, which creates an acidic state in the human body. Dr. Warburg also discovered that the cancer cells are anaerobic, that do not breathe oxygen and cannot survive in the presence of high levels of oxygen as found in alkaline state. Well, that's part of it. He was a Nobel Prize winner for discovering this. So what I did a lot of research, and I found these chambers, oxygen chambers, that you can go in. Here in the United States, you can. You need a written doctor order, or unless you have a deep wound in your legs or arms, or if you suffer oxygen, like when you go diving real deep, they use those oxygen chambers. But in Mexico, it's for anyone. And over there, they use it as a daily thing. Well, you don't go every day, but as a preventative, a lot of football players, they go once a month. Rich people, all kinds of people, they go and they do that hyperbaric chamber. So I'm not saying this that is the cure. No, but it's a preventative, yes. Even though my mom was diagnosed with liver cancer, she started a treatment with that hyperbaric chamber. We used to go every day all the way to Juarez, and the session was 2 hours. So I live here in Las Cruces, and all the way to drive every day to Juarez, that was a big pain. It's not just the drive. I mean, the big old traffic. They all drive crazy over there in Juarez. And they gave my mom a treatment for a month and a half almost, plus natural medicine. I'm not sure what they were made of. I can't remember, but it was like it was injected in IV fluid, and that made her better. In a month, and 2 months later, she went back to the doctor, and they showed the X-rays and the what's called ultrasound of her liver, and they cannot believe it because the pictures of her liver were like the first one that they got. They were all like with a bunch of little holes, but after that, after the treatment, it was like just like few holes, but it was all scar. It was like healed, and it was already like fluffy again. It wasn't like something. I can't describe it. But later on, if I can find the videos, I mean not the videos, the X-rays and the CD, I'll try and find a way to put them here on the video, even though I don't have an edit system or like. I'm just doing them out of my cell phone. But yeah, just if you have cancer, try to Google it out of a hyperbaric chamber or hyperbaric oxygen treatment, and that it'll work. I mean, it worked for me well. I have seen a lot of people that when my mom used to go over there, and they got better. I'm not saying they got cancer free because I don't know, but they were better, and my mom got cancer free. And fast forward, when my mom died, she died because she started feeling sick. Her stomach started hurting, so she went to the doctor, and they put her a medicine, an IV, that supposedly was gonna to see if she had any leaks, internal bleeding. But since she was diabetic, she didn't supposed to have that fluid, and that fluid made her kidneys shut down. And when they're shut down, she started having complications. And later on in another video, I'll tell you everything you gotta watch out for the hospital sometimes. Alright, thank you, and God bless you all, and hope this will help somebody. Leave comments, anything, and God bless you. Bye bye.